Welcome to the Success Prince Crash Course YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about midterms, which is very similar to how we play for finals. So in midterms, there's no use of the time on the board. It's all about redeeming your study for GPA. And it depends on how much study you've done in the previous weeks, how much GPA you earn. It's kind of like real life. If you study and you go to class, you're going to do better on your midterms. And so in this case, we're going to use the red player, and we count up our study. The red player has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 study. Whew, that's a good amount of study. So they turn it into the banker, and the banker rewards them with the GPA that they have earned for all of that good work in the classroom and taking advantage of campus resources. That's how we work in midterms and finals. It's really counting up the study and redeeming for earned GPA.